welcome back. Today is vegan day. It's vegan day. And I'm going to prepare a Moroccan roasted beets with pistachios and pomegranate seeds. So go nowhere, let's create. So here are the ingredients. I have pomegranate seeds, balsamic vinegar, honey, extra virgin olive oil, black pepper, salt, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, pistachios, mint, and the beets. And I have to do some prep work, so I'm going to let you go for a minute. So first we had to cut the beets in thin slices. See how thin the slices are? Otherwise they're going to roast forever. Now that I cut the beets into small slices, I'm going to start doing the mixing. So I'm going to put some olive oil, extra virgin, and I'm using Tunisian one to keep everything Mediterranean. You put a little bit. Let's put some balsamic vinegar. Just a little bit. Get things wet. Checky. I'm going to add some cumin seeds. Not a lot, just a little bit. Some fennel seeds. Little bit of black pepper, as much as you want. Say about half a teaspoon, if that. And some salt, and I'm using sea salt, and I'm just going to put a little bit. I don't want it too salty. You mix everything together, and I'm going to use my hand. See how they look. Let me add a little bit more cumin. Fish this side. A little bit of salt. The other side, and a little bit of pepper, a little bit more, and fennels, more chicken. Okay, and you put a parchment paper. And by the way, you can use any container as long as it's oven friendly, and as long as you use the paper. And then you start putting the stuff in here. So at 430 degrees Fahrenheit, you're going to put this in the oven, and you want to keep a distance from the coils and the paper. So I have it here kind of toward the middle. I have it away from there, and clearly the paper is away from the bottom, because you know you don't want to get a fire. So that's how I have it there. You're going to cook this for 40 to 45 minutes. Every, I would say 12 to 15 minutes, you're going to check it out and you're going to move it around. So that's about 3 or 4 times you're going to do that. So let it cook. Let's go to the next thing. Small pot. See my hand, how you can use as a reference. It's a small one. And I have the heat medium low. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of honey. And I'm going to use half a cup of the balsamic vinegar. You're going to cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just want it dissolved. Let me put a little bit more of this because some of them got stuck in the little spoon thing. You know, move it around so it's fully mixed. And let it cook. And you might want to check it out every maybe 5-7 minutes. So a couple, move them around to make sure things doesn't stick or whatever. And should be done. It was about maybe 20 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, so I'm moving stuff around a little bit. The true measurement of knowing if this is roasted properly is when the fork goes through. So I'm saying it's going to be about 40-45 minutes. Hopefully it's sooner than that. It's not yet ready yet, but I have to move stuff around. Time to put it back in. So I'm going to start preparing the garnish now, which is going to consist of the roasted pistachios, and I want to smash them to produce at least 1/4 cup. That's about maybe half a cup or so of the pomegranate seeds and the meat, which I'm going to chop too. So let's start with the pistachios. This stuff costs quite a bit of money, by the way, at least in Virginia. And unfortunately, I had to buy the one with the, with the cover stuff. I forgot the name. So I had to take the pistachio out there, and now I have to smash it a little bit. My garnish is also going to have meat, so I'm going to chop it into tiny pieces. So this one took about 40 minutes. This is how see how the fork goes through. Now it's time to garnish this baby. Start with the balsamic honey mix I prepare. It smells good. Now let's go with some of the roasted pistachios. Just garnish here a little bit. want some pomegranate. And finally, some mint. This stuff smells so good. And because I like pistachio, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add a little bit more.